friends, this classic fish and rice noodle soup is perfect for the colder months ahead. It's a hearty and flavorful noodle soup you can make with your favorite fish or protein of choice. For the ingredients have ginger, garlic, fish fillet of your choice, fish sauce, sugar, ground black pepper, paprika powder, onion, green onions, cilantro, tomatoes, vegetable oil, tomato paste, fish or chicken stock, and lastly, cooked rice noodle or rice vermicelli. Starting with the ginger, remove the skin and then mince. Smash the garlic, remove the skin, and again mince. For the fish, I'm using Ono fillets. Give them a quick rinse under cold running water. Gently pat dry using paper towels. Cut the fish into large chunks. In a medium bowl, add half of the minced ginger and garlic. Add the sugar, ground black pepper, paprika powder, and fish sauce. Combine the ingredients together. Add the fish pieces and coat with the marinade. If you're using a delicate fish, you'll want to toss gently to not break apart the flesh. Let marinate while continuing with the next steps. Thinly slice 1/4 of the small onion. This is used for garnish and can be set aside for now. Cut the remaining onion into thin wedges. Cut off the root portion of the green onion and add to the onion wedges. Chop the green onion stems and transfer into a small bowl. Coarsely chop the cilantro. Add to the green onions and then toss together. This is also garnish for the noodle soup and can be set aside for now. Cut each tomato into thin wedges. Heat a wok over medium-high heat. When it's hot, add vegetable oil, the remaining minced ginger, garlic, and tomato paste. Stir fry for 10 to 15 seconds. Add the fish and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, rotating the pieces so they brown evenly. Add the tomatoes and gently toss everything together. Cook until the tomatoes just start to soften, about 2 minutes. In a large saucepan, add the fish or chicken stock. Add the onion wedges and green onion root. Cover the pan and bring to a boil. When it comes to a boil, add the fish and tomatoes. Gently combine together and bring to a boil over medium heat. Continue cooking for another 5 minutes or until the fish is fully cooked. Season the soup with more fish sauce. To serve this dish, add a generous amount of rice noodle into a soup bowl. Ladle generous amounts of the fish, tomatoes, and stock into the bowl. Garnish the noodle soup with the thinly sliced onions and chopped green onions and cilantro mix. Enjoy this hearty noodle soup with chopped chilies and fish sauce, and a generous side of fresh herbs, shredded lettuce, bean sprouts, and lime wedges. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.